up to junction 4 on the left. Go past junction 4. Past junction 4. Now this becomes 2 lanes. Stay in the outside lane. Now leaving the M56 and we're going onto the airport spur road. No matter which way you come, off the M56 or the M60, you will come down this road. 2 lanes appear from the right. You want to go into the first lane on the right. So the 3rd lane from the left. We're staying in this lane. This is for Jetparks Ringway. Coming up to a set of lights now. We want to veer off to the left. So indicate left and veer off to the left, which is showing Wythenshawe, Wimslow and Gatley. Just after this set of lights, there's another set of lights. Straight through them. This is the second set, so we're going to go straight through these. This dual carriageway all the way down. Coming up to another set of lights. We're going to go straight through this set, but stay in this lane. You want the car rental? Turn right at that traffic lights. Follow this road right down to the next set of lights and we're going to turn left. It's for Jetparks Ringway. See, it opens up to 3 lanes now. We want to be in the left-hand lane. Jetparks Ringway, Gatley and Wythenshawe. turn left at this set of lights. Now as you turn left, you'll see the Shell garage on your left hand side. You want to turn left after the Shell garage at the traffic lights. So we're going to turn left at this petrol station. This road is called Ringway Road. As you follow this to the top, this becomes a dead end. So we want to turn the last turning on the right. You can see the landing lights in front of you for the aircraft. There's a roundabout at the end here, and we want to turn right. And you should see the runway on your left hand side. Now as you turn right, you want to turn right again. Right again, and that is Ringway car park. All you would do is go through one of them barriers at the top here on the left hand side, them two, find a parking space, take your luggage out of your car and go to the nearest bus stop, and the bus will come and pick you up and take you to the terminal, whichever one you require, 1, 2 or 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If it is, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you can, and links to all my other airport terminals and car parks will be in the description below. Thank you, and have a nice holiday.